Hey guys, welcome to this new Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, we will be talking about how you can add subtitles in a very fast and easy way. I'm going to use some gaming footage right here, just for example, and the subtitles are going to look something like this.
I'm gonna hide in this corner, alright?
I'll come kill you when I become a zombie, don't worry.
Great, I'm not hiding in that corner anymore.
Why not, bro? Come on, it's a good corner. Can't hide from no one.
What if I hide in this box? Am I safe?
Actually, genius.
Come in the box with me, man. Just come in the box.
Yeah, two guys in a box, there's nothing wrong with it.
Okay, now let's say you have your footage ready. Now just listen to the video.
I'm hiding in this corner, alright?
We have this first part right here. Just select the type tool or press T on your keyboard and just make a rectangle. Okay, now let's type what he's saying. If your text doesn't show up, just take the selection tool and just make the rectangle bigger and just move it anywhere you want. So right here, now you have some subtitles. Now let's edit the text. Go right here to Effect Controls, and with the text selected, you can see your text right here. Let's expand this. Now you can basically choose the font, the size, and everything else. I'm going to choose this font right here. I'm going to make the text smaller, yeah, like this. And always center line with your text. This will help you a lot in the future. You can make this all caps like this. I'm going to make it all caps. Now let's go down a little bit. Now you can see you have a white fill. This is the color of the text. You can add a stroke. So I'm going to add a stroke, black stroke, let's say 5 pixels. You can see you can add some shadow as well. Let's make it black so you can see it has some shadow. I think it's easier to read. Now all of this is just your preference. You can change it to anything else. You can make it as bigger, smaller, use different font. It's up to you. Now here we can animate the text. Let's play it again.
I'm hiding in this corner, alright?
Okay, first let's make the text smaller there. Now he's starting right here, I think. Now let's make the scale 0 and hit this toggle animation button right here. Now move a couple frames, 4 in my case, and make this 120, and then 4 again, and then make it 100. Now this will make like a popping effect, as you can see right now. I noticed something else, that the text is popping up like from the left to the right, as you can see right there. This is because when you select this, you have this anchor point. This is an anchor point, so just you can drag and drop to the middle. You can hold Control. Now when you play this again, you can see it goes from the center. Now to fix this a little bit more, make the rectangle as big as the text, move the anchor point again to the center, move the text anywhere you want, like right here, and let's see it again. Now as you can see, we have the subtitles. Now all you gotta do is just select the text again, press and hold Alt on your keyboard, and just drag and drop it. Now you have a copy of the text and animation that you made ready for the next clip. Now just
I'll come kill you when I become a zombie, don't worry.
So now let's make this around it here. Listen to what he says.
I'll come kill you when I become a zombie, don't worry.
Let's edit, just double click on the text. Now we have different text. Let's just make the rectangle bigger. Now select the selection tool again and just move it anywhere you want. Move the anchor point in the center right there. Now let's hear it again.
I'll come kill you when I become a zombie, don't worry. Great.
So as you can see, now we have
I'm
subtitles.
hiding in this corner, alright? I'll come kill you when I become a zombie, don't worry.
Now you can just keep going like this. Just select the text, press and hold Alt button, and just move the text whenever you need it. Like anywhere you want, just double click, just edit whatever they're saying. Just double click, edit your text, and you're basically good to go. Now let's edit this one too.
Great, I'm not hiding in that corner anymore.
Get the selection tool. You can just leave it right there, move it down a little bit. Now let's listen to it.
Great, I'm not hiding in that corner anymore. Come on.
Now you can also track the position where you want your text to be. Let's say I want the text to appear on this guy right here. Let's listen what he's saying.
Come in the box with me, man. Just come in the box.
Yeah, two guys.
Click on the text here.
Come in the box with me.
Okay, so now we're gonna do like this. I'm gonna make the text smaller, okay, something like that. And now let's take the selection tool and just make it go there. You can always make it like this. Move the anchor point to the center. Let's listen to what he's saying again.
Come in the box with me, man. Just come in the box.
Okay.
Come in the box with me, man. Just come in the box.
Now let's drag the text. Now you have the position right here. So text is right here. Just toggle animation for your position right here and move a couple frames. Take the selection tool. Let's say I want the text right here. Now move again. Make the text right there. So just move a few frames like this. So as you can see, the text follows the guy who's talking. So basically tracking text is very easy. You just select the text again, go down to position, toggle animation, and just drag wherever you want your text to be. Okay, I think this is it for this video. If you have a question, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell so you are notified when we make a new upload. I'll see you in the next one.
I'm hiding in this corner, alright?
I'll come kill you when I become a zombie, don't worry.
Great, I'm not hiding in that corner anymore.
Why not, bro? Come on, it's a good corner. Can't hide from no
What
one.
if I hide in this? What if I hide in this box? Am I safe?
Actually, genius.
Come in the box with me, man. Just come in the box.
Yeah, two guys in a box. There's nothing wrong with